Hey guys, I'm John Setzler and welcome back for another Atlanta Grill Company short. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a quick and delicious cranberry sauce for your holiday dinner table. So let's get started. To make our cranberry sauce, I've got a small saucepan here. I've put 1 cup of water in there. We're going to get that heated up, and as it's warming up, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar and about a 1/2 cup of brown sugar as well. And I'm going to stir this until that sugar dissolves. And after I get that sugar dissolved, I'm going to dump in my cranberries. And what I've got here is just a 12-ounce bag of cranberries from the grocery store, and we're going to stir that and bring that to a simmer. And I'm going to toss the lid on here just until that comes to a simmer. And as that comes to a simmer, I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to turn the heat down to medium-low, and we're going to let this simmer here for about 10 minutes. And what we're looking for is for these cranberries to burst open. You can see that some of them already have started, but we're going to cook this down for about 10 minutes. And as these cook, they'll start to foam up, so you're going to want to turn the heat back. And after about 10 minutes, this is exactly what we're looking for here. And for an idea of the consistency on that, just put a spoon in it and you should be able to draw a clean line across that spoon. That's got a good consistency, so we're going to turn the heat off. I'm going to put in a pinch of salt. We're going to grate in a little fresh orange zest. And then, optionally, you can put in a little Grand Marnier if you like, a little triple sec. I'm going to put in maybe a tablespoon. And I'm just going to stir that in, and I'm going to take this off the heat and let it cool. And to get it to cool, actually, I'm going to put it into a glass bowl, and I'm just going to let that sit out here. I'm going to cover that, and we're going to let that cool down to room temp. And when you have that cooled down, you can feel free to grate on a little fresh extra orange zest and put this on your dinner table. Guys, give this a try. Let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.